dun, dun. Oh, that's a beastie, isn't it? Hello, beastie. So there you go, beastie. So all I want to do tonight is get to the instructions so I can have a good read, because effectively I've got to drive this thing out of that box. And I have no idea how to do that yet. So I think the next piece to take off is the back here, and then that should allow us to get to the instructions at the back. But there you go, the Vigorun came through as I thought they would. Oh, it smells interesting. There's a rubbery, oily, interesting smell coming off it. It's very interesting. There you go. I shall take the back off and I'll bring you back, I think. So in order to get the back off, you have to undo the side. So yeah, I got a bit carried away, and now I'll just open the box up fully. So as I say, what I'm looking for now is the instructions. So I haven't been in there yet. All I've done is open it. I'm thinking that any instructions that I have will be in there somewhere. So let's have a look. We've got a white box. Don't know what's in that yet. Oh, another surprising bit of kit. Oh, air filter. Some spare blades, that's nice. Don't know what those are. I'm guessing that is the remote control. Okay. So if we just have a look around it, just wonder whether it's got power. So there's the main power button. Oh, it switches on. Oh, illumination. And the lights work. That's good. I'm not going to start it in here, not today. Turn it back off again. And if you note here, there's a thing around the handle. I don't know whether you can read that, but I can. It says the oil's been removed for shipping. So I'm thinking there's something to do with the engine. I'm having a better look at this bag. Find the engine manual. So that's going to be my read for tonight. Find out what oil it needs, and we'll come back to it another day. But yeah, very pleased so far, and we'll see how it goes. Should be quite a bit of fun. Let's hope it cuts grass. So now we're going to unbox the stuff that came with the mower. I'll start off with this, see what's in here. Okay. Oh yeah. So that's a bit that fits underneath. That's the work end of it. That's just a bit of muck. So yeah, we've got some bits and bobs here. Sure, we'll figure out what those are for eventually. Yeah. Then we've got the book, which we'll come back to. And then, oh yeah, some sprayer blades, the quick mower blades. Alright, so I thought they were mash put. Okay. And then we've got a air filter. And a spark plug removing tool. Cool. And next we've got this magic white box, 24 volt, 12 amp hours written on the outside. Oh yeah. Okay. So this appears to be lead acid battery charger. Input voltage 110 to 240. Okay, that's the charger. And then this should be, I recognise the name on this, the remote control. Oh, bless them. It provided me batteries, who knows. So this is the remote control. Sometimes there's a film to peel off, isn't there? There it is. Some people leave theirs on. I don't. You got your trims here. Stick a calf bit there. Pop that back on. Built-in antenna, jolly good. Battery box at the back. I don't know what that's for. Yeah. Ooh, doo, 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 doo. Yeah. Okay, so that's what's in the box. So just looking at the device, at the mower, just looking at the mower, I can see it's this type of engine. That's yeah, if we just remember P70, we should be alright. It shows you to change the oil, where the oil drainer is. That's nice. And you get a nice chart here when you're supposed to service it. That's good. And there's your information on your air filter, so we'll have a check that that's in. So I think that's a spare. You should see. So according to this, we need to put half a litre of oil in it. I've got some 10W40 and I've checked already, that's a good substitution for 30, so we should be alright. So yeah, so I'll give you a quick flash around it before I put some oil in. So I've taken the cellophane off now so we can have a good look around it. There's the charging port. Yeah. Controls without the remote. There you go. Okay, we've found forward. That works well. So I found in the end that there was some oil in the mower, and that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching.